go, TopThrill 2, 420 feet, 120 miles an hour, eventually. That's the third launch. First one's going to send us halfway up that top hat, well, nearly halfway, and then we'll drop back, and then we'll go flying up the spike behind us. And as we are back row, we're going to go all the way up the spike. Here we go! The first launch is 79 miles an hour. And we drop back. We get a second launch. Oh, I have no sight! Oh my word! Oh. Now the final launch! 120 miles! I'm out of my seat! Oh my God. Woo! That's fast. And yeah, really worth it. I enjoyed that a lot. Super smooth and a whole lot of fun. Incredible. That's TopThrill 2 here at Cedar Point. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.